Okay, so I'm one of those people that have never successfully installed a screen protector on a phone. And yes, my iPhone 16 Pro Max does not have a screen protector. Just how it is. Literally nothing. Just the screen and the fingerprints. Well, Magic John is kind of challenging my intelligence right now. They sent me this thing to install my screen protector. Let's see if I can actually do it. So let's do it. I've seen so many ads of this Magic John stuff on Facebook and other places, so now I need to test it myself. So, well, what is this for the back, like to push? This is interesting. Okay. Installation guide, installation kit. Okay. And we have, oh, so it's pre-installed here and you do all this stuff and you peel this, I guess. Okay, so it comes with two of them and nothing else in the box. Now, if I can actually install this successfully from my viewpoint, then I say Magic John is absolutely amazing. But that totally depends because I'm not just a noob, I'm a complete doob when it comes to installing a screen protector. I actually never installed one. So I'm gonna put my phone here so it doesn't scratch the table, I guess. And do I need to read the installation guides? Okay, so wipe it. It says with a wet wipe. Then clean it with a dry one. Then put this on top. Then hold both sides where the arrows are, and then pull this tab here out to remove the strip. And then in here it says swipe firmly from left to right on the bottom. Oh yeah, that opening. Then take this on top, then take this whole thing, then take this protector, and push any bubbles with it. And well, let's see. As I said, I am not good at this stuff. Well, one of these has a wet wipe. So let's take a look. We have something here. Yeah, that must be the wet wipe, and this is the dry wipe. We do the wet wipe first. Dust removal sticker. That's actually cool. And it's coming from someone that never installs screen protectors. Okay, yeah, that is wet, alright. Now, if my screen has scratches, that's not their fault, but I don't know. I haven't broken this phone yet, so say what you want. I've broken my Note 20 Ultra, that I hate myself for it. Not really, but know what I mean. I think this is so clean that Tim Cook is gonna come take this from me and give me a brand new one just to keep the clean one for himself. I know that for sure. And, well, I don't think I can clean any more than this actually, because otherwise it would be too much. Then we have the dry thing. Okay, so it's looking very clean. I'm just gonna see for any smudges or anything that my fingers have done to it. Yeah, I have some scratches on the screen. That's just normal. On the glass, I mean. And I'm only noticing them now. Somehow I didn't notice that before. Good job, Magic John, to make me reveal that my phone is not as perfect as I thought. But I think this is the cleanest I can get it. Okay, well, let me put it here. And they said to put this thing on top, but which side does it go to? Okay, tear off. Oh, so that it says top literally right here. So I think it just goes like this. And looks like it clipped on the phone by itself like this, and it said something here, then something here. The camera bump is raising the phone a little bit, so it says hold the sides and pull this tab here. So we hold both sides here where it's telling us and pull this one. What does it do? I have no idea. Don't ask me, ask Magic John. Okay. Okay, so I held the sides. Then it says to swipe my finger on here for some reason. It says firmly, and that's what I just did. Okay. Then it says peel off this thing here. Does it have any way of doing it? Okay, hold off the sides. Yep, just like we did before. And pull this up. Does it tear up completely or just a little bit? Oh, yeah. Oh, I see. It's actually spread in something. And as I said, my scratch screen might have bubbles, so there's not much I can do about that. And then it says wait 10 seconds for air release. So we'll wait 10 seconds. I see I might have a bubble right there, but we'll wait for it to do that 10 seconds. I don't think it's going to do more than that now. Okay, and lift off. Okay, that's actually a very clever thing. And then we have a protector, it says. Okay. Well, the installation is right on the dot, though. Despite my phone having scratches, can we get rid of this bubble with this squeegee thing they provided? Or is my phone that gone? Okay, there might be a dust speck right there. And might be my screen scratch, actually. Wow, it is clear. So I'll remove these dust thingies really quick and be right back. Okay, so now we have literally 0 bubbles. And it was just me having to, I literally just lifted this corner just a touch till it met the air bubble, and I let it go, and air bubble was gone. Look at that, super clean. And you cannot even tell I have a screen cover. Well, from the sides, of course, you can tell a little bit, but the design is put to a point that actually you cannot feel it. Look at that. So it covers up to here too on the top. That is nice. Okay, let me just open the screen. Yeah, there's literally no flaws at all. This is actually really good. So, well, I gotta say, Magic John, you surprised me here. I thought I'm gonna butcher both of them, not just one. No, I actually needed only one of them. Look at that. And guys, you actually did a good job. You convinced me that I can actually install one of these. And I literally just follow these steps, which are much easier than they appear. So, well, I can easily say if you need a screen protector that you want to install yourself, Magic John definitely makes sense. Look at that. How flawless is that? Look, literally flawless with nothing except I have to wipe it because I put my fingers on it. But besides that, there's literally not a single problem on it at all. Look at that. Finally, I have a screen protector, which I usually never have one. Magic John making me have a screen protector. How dare you? Anyway, give it kudos to them. No, they did not pay me for this video review. They just told me, take this box and do what you wish with it. That's it. And if I mess up, you have a second one here just to train yourself. But no, I didn't need the second one at all. It's just all that good. And now I have this extra cloth to take my fingerprints, if I wish so, and make my phone look brand new forever. And this is tempered glass, so that's actually tough stuff. It's gonna make my 16 Pro Max last quite a few more years. And no, I'm not going to upgrade to the new 17 because I really like this titanium stuff that they put on this one, so I'm a big fan. Anyway, Magic John, great job making this thing super easy to do so. You got my big thumbs up.